किया, यानी विंडो को एक्टिव कर देता है। अगर टास्क बार में क्लिक करते हैं तो जो विंडो हमारा
आपके मोबाइल में इशू कर दीजिएगा ना,
ओपन मोड में ले आता है इसके ऊपर, ठीक है। दूसरा बटन देखो यार, ये रीस्टोर बटन है, इसके ऊपर जब हम क्लिक करेंगे तो विंडो हमारा छोटा साइज में डेस्कटॉप पे आ जाएगा।
बाद में इसलिए करना पड़ेगा वीडियो के लिए यूट्यूब पर। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रेन।
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning children. Once again we are meeting with each other, with one another. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this time after our first meeting, after our first meeting in which we revised the last lesson, that is the case of copied question paper, you know.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is our feedback time now. So written feedback, get ready, open your notebooks. All of you open your notebooks. Yeah, good afternoon, Anand. All of you open your notebooks.
Okay, sir.
And some questions I am.
सर आप अभी ना पढ़ा रहे हैं?
Yes. Yeah, feedback time it is, our feedback time. Written feedback. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Right.
सर हम स्कूल नहीं आएंगे।
क्यों? What? Why? Why? Anika?
Yes, sir.
What
सर
is the
मैंने
matter?
नहीं कहा था।
What is the matter?
सर मैंने नहीं कहा था, किसी और ने कहा था।
पापा जी
Okay.
थोड़ा देर बाद।
Okay.
You are the host.
Yeah. Okay, start. Right? Okay.
Yes,
Here are some questions. Okay.
Yes, sir, बिल्कुल।
Get ready. Okay, get ready, children. My first question is. Why did Mr. Hilton Soames? Children, my first question is, why is Mr. Hilton Soames Hilton?
Sir, we have to write the question also.
Yes, dear. Written feedback, it is written feedback. It is not oral, because oral is finished.
Okay, sir.
We have already finished our oral feedback. Why is Mr. Hilton Soames agitated? Yes. Number 2.
सर एक बार और बोल दीजिए अभी आया।
Why is Mr. Hilton Soames agitated? Why is Mr. Hilton Soames agitated?
Yes, sir.
Agitated. Agitated. Number 2. Why can't Mr. Soames not solve?
Sir, can't or can? What is it?
Can't. That is can't. Why
Okay.
can't? It is can't. Why can't Mr. Soames not solve this puzzling case? This puzzling. 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 Puzzling case.
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
Why can't Mr. Soames not solve this puzzling case?
हेलो सर।
Yes, yeah.
सर इंग्लिश का क्लास 2 बार हो रहा है। मैंने एक
Yeah,
बार
yeah. Because children, you don't know your mathematics teacher is absent, so I am replacing him. Okay, this is arrangement class. Okay, arrangement
Yes.
class. Yeah.
Clear.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दीजिए ना।
Why is Mr. Hilton Soames agitated? Why is Mr. Hilton Soames agitated? Why can't, number 2, why can't Mr. Soames solve? Why can't Mr. Soames solve this puzzling case?
Sir, can I answer?
Written, dear, written. First, you write an answer. Later on, I will ask you to answer the question. Feedback. Give your feedback in oral manner. In oral manner, yes. Later on, children. Later on, first write. And you must see that your answer is grammatically correct. Your answer are correct and complete. Yeah. In full sentences. In full. Hey, who is it?
स्वीटी कुमारी की माइक से आवाज आ रही
is coming from the mic of Divyanshu Sin.
Divyanshu.
and Sweetie also.
Sweetie, Divyanshu. Self-control, self-discipline. Okay, number 3. What mistake? What mistake is, third question. What mistake is committed by Bannister? Question mark.
No.
हल्का लगा था।
Please don't distract your mind. Don't distract your concentration, children. Is it okay?
पापा खाई पापा खाई तो का हम रंजू मौसी के।
सर जानवी के माइक से आवाज आ रहा है।
सर जानवी के माइक से आवाज आ रहा है।
Janvi, mute your mic. Mute your mic, Janvi.
सर जानवी
सर प्लीज
Yes.
रिपीट द थर्ड क्वेश्चन।
Third question. What mistake is committed by Bannister? What is the spelling of committed?
सर COMMITED।
COMMITED. Committed.
COMMITTED. COMMI.
COMMITTI.
सर यहाँ पे आवाज नहीं है।
Double TED. ED. Yes.
मम्मी
सर मेरे
जल्दी
Always
ना।
check your spelling
सर मेरे
skill.
माइक से आवाज नहीं आ रहा।
Spelling accuracy is must, children. Fourth question. Fourth question. How does Gilchrist cheat himself in this play? This is the fourth question. Fourth question written. Written fourth question. How does Gilchrist cheat himself
No,
in
sir.
this play? How does Gilchrist cheat himself in this play? And the last question. And the last question is, what does the detective do to detect the
Culprit.
wrong act? No, just try to understand here. Ankur Anand, try to understand the question, because your question guides you to write the correct answer, the precise answer. So first, look at the question. What does the detective do to detect the wrong act. So 5 questions are there, and you are given only 5 minutes to answer all these questions. And when you have answered, children,
सर फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन क्या था?
what does the detective? Detective means spy, secret agent, Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes. What does the detective do to detect? Detect.
सर इस टेस्ट में यही चैप्टर आएगा?
या नहीं, अगले इस संडे को ऑनलाइन टेस्ट नहीं है बाबू, ठीक है?
Yes, sir, due to NTA examination.
Yes, you are right. Your information is 100% correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
सर क्यों नहीं है सर?
Okay, written. Mannat, written.
Yes sir.
Okay, so what is the first answer? Complete, not half-hearted answer, not incomplete answer. Complete answer, children, in 2 or 3 sentences. Why is Mr. Hilton Soames agitated? See the answer on my side. Mr. Hilton Soames is agitated because he finds that someone has entered his room and tampered with the question papers.
Sir, can I answer?
Yeah, copied the question papers of the scholarship examination, and he is the in charge of the examination. He is the controller of the examination. Okay, this is the answer. Yes, what is your answer?
Sir, Mr. Hilton Soames was agitated because the question paper of the scholarship exam was copied by someone, which is going to held the next day.
Going, listen children, देखो सेंटेंस में थोड़ा लैंग्वेज का एरर है, थोड़ा ग्रामर का एरर है, उसको ठीक करो बेटे। आप पढ़ रहे हैं तो आप पढ़िए, तो उसमें पक्की जानकारी रखिए। सेंटेंस कैसे लिखें ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट, मेरी लैंग्वेज कैसे एरर फ्री रहे, एरर नहीं होना चाहिए बेटा। लिंग्विस्टिक हो, ग्रामेटिकल हो, पंक्चुएशन का हो बेटे, टेंस का हो, है ना? उसमें देखो बेटे, जब हम लोग लिखते हैं इंग्लिश तो उसमें बहुत कुछ हम लोगों को ध्यान देना पड़ता है ना? उसका सिंटेक्स होता है, टेंस सिंटैक्स होता है, टेंस होता है, कौन सेंटेंस लिखते हैं, सिंपल है कि इंट्रोगेटिव है कि ऑप्टेटिव है कि इंपरेटिव है कि एक्सक्लेमेटरी है, फिर उसमें हमें वर्ब देना है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब को देना है, ये सब ध्यान देना, प्रीपोजिशन लगाना है, कहीं एडजेक्टिव है, कहीं एडवर्ब है, सब ध्यान देना पड़ता है बेटे। तो देखो मिस्टर हिल्टन सोम्स, चूंकि लिसन, this question is in the simple present tense. तो आंसर भी उसी में लिख दो. मिस्टर हिल्टन सोम्स इज एजिटेटेड. इज, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में इज है. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
यस, हमेशा देना है इसको, ऐसे नहीं करना है. बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन तक आप 9th में जाएंगे, 10th में जाएंगे, 12th में जाएंगे, इस पर बारीकी से ध्यान रखेंगे एग्जामिनर, तब मार्क्स देंगे. और आपको तो कम मार्क्स नहीं चाहिए, आपको तो चाहिए 100, 10/10, 100/100. तब फिर आप कैसे इसको इग्नोर करेंगे? मिस्टर हिल्टन सोम्स इज एजिटेटेड because he finds that someone has entered his room and copied the question paper in his absence. The question papers of the scholarship examination, and he is all in all. He is all in all. He is the head of this examination, head controller that is in charge of this examination. Okay? तो देखिए, इसमें कोई एरर नहीं है बेटे. मैं जो सेंटेंस बोल रहा हूं उसमें कोई एरर नहीं. आप भी वही लिखें वैसे ही, है ना? नंबर 2, why can't Mr. Soames solve this puzzling case? Mr. Yes, try, yeah.
Mr. Soames can't solve the puzzling case because he can't find any clue against
Yeah.
Sir,
the
can I answer?
against
Yeah.
the
Culprit.
Sir,
against the culprit.
Yeah, yes.
yes, sir. Sir, Mr. Soames could not solve this puzzling case because
No,
can't.
Mr. Soames can't, yes.
Mr. Soames can't solve this puzzling case because Mr. Soames was having much tension on his mind.
Yeah.
So he can't find the culprit.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, and he thinks that it is very important for him to solve this case.
Yes, sir.
settle
And
this
the
case.
time was also very less to find the
Less
culprit.
time, yeah. Because
So-
this is a very important examination. This is not an ordinary examination. Okay,
Yes,
internal examination. This is a scholarship examination, and it is a prestigious examination. This is why he cannot solve it, because it is a mystery. It becomes this is actually it is a mysterious case, puzzling case. And
yes, sir. He even recognized that his servant Bannister, who is very much honest, he would do
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah. He cannot. Yes, his servant, he does not doubt his servant, because he thinks that his servant is honest and faithful. And yet, who can do it? There is something suspicious, doubtful. This is why he cannot solve it. He is not handling, he is not expert. He is not an expert in handling or solving such a puzzling case. Yeah, so there can be, many, 2, 3 answers. Okay. Number 3, what mistake is committed by Bannister?
Sir, can I answer?
Yes.
Can I answer?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir,
One by one.
Bannister helped Gilchrist in a very wrong mischief. That was his mistake.
Yeah.
And and did not stand up to his what we would say as boss expectations.
Yeah.
Sir,
He,
can I
he
answer
does
also?
not stand. He does not stand up to his boss's expectations. Yeah,
Sir, I
you are right.
want to answer all.
Yeah, answer.
He
Ah.
was Bannister was trying to hide the culprit, hide the clue, and he wants to save the culprit. This was the biggest mistake done by him.
Yeah,
Committed
the
by.
mistake committed by Bannister is that he unlocks the room. He unlocks the room and allows Gilchrist to do something wrong, very wrong. This is you can say this is a very dishonest act. He helps Gilchrist to copy the question paper. He opens the room, he opens the windows and allows Gilchrist to enter and tamper with the question paper. So this is his mistake that he commits. This is his mistake that he commits. Okay. Your answers are also correct. But yes, mind children, after all, your answer must be complete and correct. Error free, grammatically and linguistically. Okay. By all standards, your response should be correct. That will ensure you full marks. Full marks. How does the next is how does Gilchrist cheat himself in this play?
Sir, can I answer?
How does Gilchrist cheat himself?
Sir, can I answer?
Yes.
Gilchrist cheat himself in the play
It's
by
please
copying
see.
the question paper of
Anika,
the scholarship
Shashank
exam.
Sharma,
Sir,
listen.
can I answer?
Yeah,
Sir,
see.
Shashank
Yes, sir.
Sharma is making noises.
Sir,
Yeah,
Gilchrist cheat himself only because he was not able to gain the knowledge
yeah,
by studying. He was just thinking that I would win the scholarship and I would
yeah,
get the scholarship.
yeah,
But he
cheating.
was
Listen.
Can I also answer?
Yeah. Yes.
Gilchrist cheat himself in the play by copying the question paper which will not give him any profit.
Yeah. Actually, Gilchrist is a cheat. Here, Gilchrist is a cheat. He cheats himself by copying the question papers. Okay, secretly, stealthily. Okay, so that he can compete or pass the examination and win the scholarship amount. Okay, so children, listen. If you do something wrong, if anyone does something wrong, it means he is a cheat and he cheats himself only and nobody else. Mind it. When something wrong is done, okay, the wrongdoer cheats himself. He thinks that he is cheating others. What do you think? Am I right?
Yes,
Here,
sir.
yes, sir.
Gilchrist thinks that he is cheating the administration, school management, the examination controller, he is cheating everybody, his parents, his friends and relatives and all. Yes, listen, this is what happens. If someone cheats, he cheats the whole society, the entire society. But he never thinks that he is not cheating others, rather he is cheating himself, and cheating is a crime. Cheating is inhuman. Inhuman. By cheating, you cannot gain success in life. By cheating, people remain losers. They remain destitute. They remain poor. They remain great failures in life. So cheating is a negative activity. It is a punishable, So earlier he was excited. You can see that earlier, while copying the question paper or tampering with the question papers, what was the state of his mind? Just try to feel the state of mind. Gilchrist was in, or Gilchrist is in. He thinks that, yes, I am going to, this is a great achievement I am achieving. But no, this is the act of a cheat. Okay? So, by cheating others, he cheats himself only. Okay? Last one, dear. What does the detective do to detect the wrong act?
Sir, can I answer?
Yes.
Sir, the detective take a view at all the clues that
Yeah.
was
View
the
of.
pencil shades, the gloves, and the
Yeah.
shoes and the mark of the shoes.
Marks of the shoes. Yes. Yeah. You are right. Right. Yeah. The scratches. It means he is very watchfully. He is very vigilantly. He is very carefully and minutely, closely examining and investigating the room from corner to corner, from wall to wall, and everything that is in the room, each and everything. He is investigating with a magnifying glass. You know magnifying glass?
Yes, sir.
It makes things look much bigger. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Than what actually they are in their usual size and shape. Right, children? Very good. So I am very confident. I am sure enough that my students, my children have fully and thoroughly revised this lesson. Okay.
सर आनंद की माइक से आवाज आ रहा है.
No sound. No sound should be made from any corner, children. Don't disturb the proceeding. Don't disturb the class, children. Yes. So, let us do some other drills, other workouts, some other exercises based on this chapter, the case of copied question papers. Okay, children, once again browse the chapter and find two prepositions from the chapter. Let us start this game. Come on, get ready. 1, 2, 3. Get set, go. Get set, go. Two prepositions.
Yeah.
Are you doing it? Anika, Anika,
Yes, sir.
spot, find two prepositions from the chapter. Two prepositions.
Okay, sir.
Preposition, you know, na?
Yes, sir, I know.
Yeah, fine, fine. All of you. Page number 61. Page number 61. I was absent for more than an hour. Located this sentence, Anika. एक
Sir,
sentence
Can you
locate
please
करो.
repeat?
Can I tell?
I was
Sir,
absent for more than an hour. इसमें एक preposition है, बताओ कौन है?
sir, can you please repeat the sentence?
हाँ, page number 61.
Okay, sir.
I was absent. See now, today about 3 o'clock. So in the fourth line, I was
Yes.
absent for more than an hour.
I was absent for.
Yes,
Sir, for.
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 Yes,
Yes, sir, for.
exactly. For is a preposition. Okay.
Yes.
And the other is there in the second para, almost last line. One was on the side table near the window.
Sir, on. And sir, other
On.
sentences also here. Sir, who lives on the same
On.
floor. Here also.
Yes, on.
Here
Exactly. Right, dear, right. Okay. Okay, can you find a transitive verb?
Okay, sir.
ट्रांजिटिव
I'm
वर्ब क्या? देखो बेटे, अच्छा कोई बताएगा ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब क्या होता है बेटे? जल्दी, टाइम रनिंग आउट जा रहा है, जल्दी बता दो। ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब क्या होती है?
Can I tell?
Yes.
That verb is a
Sir,
verb
can I
that
say Saloni
expresses
Raj?
Verb that abstract
Yes,
one or
Saloni.
more object is contact with the
A
interrogative but we
transitive
do not
verb is
have
a verb
object
that
concept
accepts
is
one or
not
more
a global
objects.
property of a
This
cause by which activity is
contrasts
transferred
with
from an agent to a patient.
intransitive verb
one that it
which
is
do not have object.
object. Sir, transitive verb is used
Sir,
with an object.
transitive
Sir, a
verb is
transitive
a
verb
verb
can have
that
an indirect object, which is a
accepts
noun,
one or
object.
more
noun
objects.
phrase that comes before a direct.
Yeah. Example. One example.
Sir, example is
Yes.
Sir, example are the
He is
speaker
walking
discuss
the dog.
about
the speaker
for
discussed
different
different marketing
She is.
आपकी
sir different market strategies in the world.
या आपके पापा मार्केट से क्या खरीदते हैं? बोल दीजिए, बोलिए।
Sir,
Sir,
vegetables.
wheat, flour,
Yes.
vegetables, fruits.
vegetables, wheat, flour.
तो कैसे बोलेंगे?
Sir,
My father
my
buys
father.
Sir, my father bought
Father buys
vegetables,
vegetables, groceries,
flour,
and other
wheat,
items.
etc.
Yeah. So bought transitive verb. Okay, transitive verb with an object. Intransitive verb, it is without an object. Ankur Anand, we have
Sir,
already
yes sir,
discussed it.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा देखो तो उसी पेज में देखो, पेज नंबर 61, लास्ट लाइन.
Okay, sir.
Then he might have carelessly left. Carelessly
Sir,
क्या है बताओ? Carelessly क्या है?